The clove hitch is also a knot that has different ways of tying it. Here's another way to tie the clove hitch. You take your rope, form a twist with this rope coming over the top. So it'd be this way. Notice this side is coming out to my right. And then you form another loop with the other end of the rope, also on top. So they're going in opposite directions. Then you simply fold it in half, and you can slide the hitch to whatever you need to. As you come through, it's like that. You can see that's a well-tied clove hitch. Also, you don't need both ends of the rope to do this. You can go through this way like so, and like this. And that way you don't have to, if you don't have both ends of your rope, which usually when you're using a hitch, you won't have access to both ends of the rope.